The last 2 days I've been walking in this rain and dawn, and I wanted to share with you this very beautiful, beautiful space and time. Can you see you are today's gorgeous sunrise? You are this romantic rain misting up the sunrise. You are the almost rainbow, drenching someone's heart with colors. You are the dewdrop of sadness gathering in wistful eyes. You are the heat in the kitchen, cooking taste and health. Can you see you are this fragrant soil, the womb for seeds of love and kindness and all that this earth holds for her children? You are the swishing, swirling wind, moving the leaves, moving ocean waves, moving the breath, moving just about everything in the universe. Can you see you are the universe, just with your own name tag?